The dashcam car is driving normally at night. Reaches the bend. The BMW on the right suddenly changes lanes. Brakes and blocks the dashcam car's path, preventing the dashcam car from taking. But the dashcam car is a tough guy. When the BMW tries to cut off the car again, the dashcam car directly hits it.
This ending is so satisfying. Damn it! You think you can get away?
After this happened,
He drove off without getting out of the car. Oh, be careful.
want to take a photo here. The wife dropped her bag. The others are still observing. Ran away. No position. No signal.
He apologized.
Look, 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 look.
These guys seem to say they can, they.
Free car wash.
Look, another car is getting a free car wash here. How can they do this?
The water pipe burst. They're happily washing the car, and ended up hitting the car in front.
Damn, this is awkward. Ah, I can't see. Random.
I'm going to trick you.
Did something really happen? What are you doing? Where were you thinking at first?
You're really frightening.
You're really? Good, your mother's. I'm at Bayou Mountain, Leanley County.
That one from the overload station gave it to me. Thank you to the owner of the 8 Directions Oranges, Im. I saw the notification. I personally disagree. Because of what? Forcibly unloaded 8 boxes of my oranges. The next morning, under the company of the police, I found 4 boxes for the deal. I'm not asking for compensation.
What I'm asking is for your overload station staff to have eaten my oranges.
You must apologize to me in person. You must receive appropriate punishment. You said we gang. I disagree. It's an 800 UR matter.
I can prove that's the car rental fee I hired. His son is going to pick up this accident. Damn it.
Here, 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 here. Another car accident happened on Dingson Road.
Look, it hit the guardrail. Everyone just died. These kids' benefits are relatively cheap.
Who knows who? The people who know. Come, come.
You're here. You guys go and hit where his sign is. Just riding a motorcycle.
You think you're so great on a motorcycle?
Can you watch your mouth?
What do you mean, didn't watch it? What's wrong? What makes you so great? It's not like you're so great riding a motorcycle. Did I provoke you? Then I'll go bother you guys to spray the cars. Add a DD.
You're so arrogant. What kind of person is this?